Wonderful! Get out the fucking car.
Wonderful, thank you. Dickhead. Right, well, you're going to have to go somewhere. I'm going that way. You go around there, get out of the way. I'm not making that fucking turn, am I? You turn the corner properly and weren't trying to fucking cut it. Like all of you that are in the fucking way. Dickheads. Bunch of dickheads. That does not look safe at all, Grandma. Fucking hell. Dickhead! Give way, line! Wasn't there a pedestrian at that zebra crossing? Which I don't think he stopped at. Fucking arsehole! Salmon, cyclist, dickhead. Fucking wanker! Fucking line's there for a reason, so you stop, not you just keep going. Fucking dickhead. You still have a red light. Why have you gone all the way to there? The line is all the way back here. Feckin' idiot. So the one that can go is just sitting there, and the one that can't go has gone through the light and is sitting over there. Because you're fucking special, aren't you? Which means only you can go there. You don't have to wait at this line like the rest of us peasants. Cunt. Good job. Fucking good job. No, what are you fucking doing, you retard? Yes, that guy did just jump the red light. No reaction from me because I was stuffing my face with a chocolate bar at the time. Fucking parking space there you could stop in. Instead, you just park in the middle of the fucking road and fuck us both over. Fucking idiot. Still red, mate. Just because you picked up a passenger doesn't change the colour of those lights. What a wanker. And we've got another one doing the same thing. How am I meant to move across? Cunts like you are doing shit like that. We'll ignore the fact that it's basically 0 degrees or -1 degrees out here. And it could be icy. You fuckers just crack on, yeah? Fucking retard next to me texting on her fucking phone while doing fucking nearly 60 miles an hour. You dozy fucking bitch. That is so dangerous. Not even the fact that the whole time I was behind her she couldn't hold a consistent fucking speed because she's on her fucking phone. Cunt of the highest order.